Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet cheese sandwich easy method. Whisk 2 eggs, salt and pepper, then pour into a hot pan and cook a thin omelet. Fold cheese into the omelet and toast 2 slices of bread until golden. Assemble the omelet between bread, press gently, and cut in half. Enjoy a quick, satisfying meal any time of day. Start with a warmed pan and a little butter so the omelet slides easily. Pour whisked eggs and let the edges set, then tilt the pan to encourage even cooking. When nearly set, place cheese on 1/2 and fold the omelet over to finish melting. Slide onto toasted bread, press lightly to bind, and let it rest a minute for cleaner slicing and better texture before serving. Place the warm folded omelet on 1 toasted slice and add any extras like tomato or spinach if you want a fresher bite. Top with the second slice and press gently to compact the sandwich without squeezing out the filling. Let it sit for 30 seconds so the cheese settles, then slice cleanly and serve hot with simple sides like pickles or a small salad for balance and color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.